Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn what is a prepend method and how to use that prepend method in our JS DOM. So I have explained about appending the child, remove child and remove utilities in my previous videos. Please watch that for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, let me create one div, and inside this div, let me create one paragraph where that paragraph is hi, I am para, and now I am creating one ID for this div, that is nothing but a main underscore container. You can create any of the ID. And now let me create one button where this button is prepend element, and let me create one on click handler, on click event, which is having a handler prepend handler. And let me define this prepend handler, copy this and go to the JS file, create a function prepend handler, and inside this let me get the parent element, that is nothing but a div element is equal to document dot get element by id of I want to get the element that is main container and pass here. So now for this main container I want to prepend a heading tag, that is nothing but a heading element. So let me create that heading element by using document dot create element of, which is like h3 tag. And now heading element dot inner html is equal to I am prepended. And now where I want to prepend this, I want to prepend as I want to prepend this for our div element dot prepend of which element I want to prepend, heading element, so that this heading element will be in the starting of that particular div element. So it will be inserted somewhere like this above this paragraph. Let me save this and go here and reload. So you are seeing only one. When I click on the prepend element, then I am prepended has been added to your div element as a first element. Now it is not only one element. If you want to pass n number of elements, we can pass n number of elements to this particular prepend method. So for example, I am giving heading element 1 and prepended 1 and this one also 1. So let me pass this heading element 1 also to this, then two elements will be prepended for this div element. Let me go here and reload. When I click on the prepend element, you are seeing I am prepended and I am prepended 1. So that depends on the sequence. Here I have added a heading element as a first element, so it is prepending the first element. And if you are adding in reverse manner, like heading element 1 and heading element, then heading element 1 will be the first prepending element and heading element will be the second prepended element. Let me reload and you can click on this prepend element. You are able to see two prependings, that is 1 and the prepending 2. That means how many elements you want to prepend for a particular parent element, that many you can use by using a prepend method. So prepend method will accept all the number of parameters, which are prepend method will accept n number of parameters, but each parameter should be a node element, and that node element will be prepended to your parent element, which is here as a div element. Till now we are done with the conceptual things of JS DOM, that is document API, and in the upcoming videos I'll try to provide some examples where you will be using all these utilities and creating a certain pages, and how these functions or the utilities will be helpful in real time. We'll see in the upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. And also, I want to let you know about Techzette. Techzette is a platform on Medium where you can learn all the backend stuff. Mainly, it is focused on the Adobe Experience Management, Magento, as well as OSGI, along with the basics of Java. And you can see the Sling framework completely. So just have a click on the link below in the description and have a look on this Medium blog. If you like, please like, share, follow Medium blog. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off.